Children, are you ready? So, read along with me. Follow this red pointer. Ben runs to the bus. Let's read again. Ben runs to the bus. Now, children, it's your turn. Follow this red pointer. Good job! The tub is much fun. The tub is much fun. It's your turn. That's great. The cop has a gun. The cop has a gun. Now it's your turn.
Good job.
The cop has gum, but not bug. The cop has gum, but not bug. Your turn. Good job. The bus has 10 nuns. The bus has 10 nuns. Your turn. That's great. The bus has 10 nuns. The dog is on the tub. The dog is on the tub. Your turn. That's great. The dog is on the tub. Hug mom and pop. Hug mom and pop. Your turn. Hug mom and pop. Good job. The hut is on the hill. The hut is on the hill. Your turn. That's great. The hut is on the hill. The pig runs to the mud. The pig runs to the mud. Your turn. Good job. The pig runs to the mud. The tub has 6 ducks. The tub has 6 ducks. Your turn. Good job! The tub has 6 locks. See you in the next video.